All right, let's take a look at each of the most missed questions from the previous homeworks up through October 2nd in Unit 2. So from the first homework here, we've got this problem. It says, which of the following is equal to g prime of pi? All right, so right there we know we really have two choices. We can either use the plus h definition, so limit as h goes to 0 of f of the x value we're looking at, which is pi, plus h minus f of the x value we're looking at, all over h. And that's option 1. So when I look at these, there's only one that might match that, and that one's here. But notice at the bottom is x goes to pi, all right, and it's x minus pi. So this is kind of a hybrid between the two definitions. All right, so that's out. So then we're going to look at the alternate definition, because none of the others really matched up with that. So w approaches x, which in our case is pi, and then we have f of w minus f of the x we're looking at, which is pi, all over w minus the x we're looking at, which is pi. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this with the cosine in there. So w approaches pi, cosine of w minus cosine of pi, all over w minus pi. Now I looked at my answers, and there is one that matches this pretty much perfectly. Different variables in play, but again, the variable they use doesn't really matter. It's more the larger structure that we're looking at in the problem. All right, so that was the most missed one from the first assignment, and I hope that helps.